Yeah.
Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going to my home country, Liberia. We'll be making some aubergine stew, otherwise known as eggplant stew. It's super healthy and quite affordable to make, which cost me roughly £10 and 2 hours to cook. Enjoy! We're going to start off with seasoning our already cleaned meat. I'm going to go in with some parsley, some garlic from Raja, some liquid Maggi, some white pepper, or black pepper, and then some jumbo. Add some water, pop your lid on and cook for 25 minutes. Now we're going to season and fry our chicken. I'm going to go in with some garlic, some jumbo, some parsley, some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, and some liquid Maggi. Now mix the seasoning into your meat and don't forget to add some oil and puncture some holes and continue to mix until well coated. Pop your lid on and set aside to allow it to marinate whilst we jump onto something else. Going back to your smoked turkey, it's not cooked as yet, so I'm going to proceed to add some more water and cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it should look like this. I've added a bit more water because I need to use the stock later on. Moving on to our aubergines, we're now going to peel and cut these into small chunks. After you're done with that, you're going to wash them and then pop them into your food processor. Sorry guys, I always revert to shaking my food processor, but in the end it should look like this. Moving on to our pepper and onions, we're also going to pop this into the food processor because we will be mixing this with the aubergines. It should look like this in the end. Now we're going to add our oil to the pot and proceed to add our blended mixture also. I wanted to be extra and added some more onions to the mixture. Now let's proceed to season with some garlic, parsley, liquid Maggi, and some jumbo. Now stir and fry for roughly half an hour until you see that the color has changed to a slightly darker brown. Whilst that's cooking, let's move on to our chicken, which we're going to fry. Pop some oil into the frying pan and add your chicken. Now leave your chicken to cook on one side and flip it over once you see that it has a golden brown color. Now let's go back to our aubergines. As you can see, the size has significantly decreased and the color has also changed. Now you're going to proceed to add some tomato paste to the mixture, stir that in quite well and allow it to cook. Now, once your aubergine has gotten to this color, you're going to proceed to add your meat and your stock. Now you're going to add some more water and allow it to simmer for roughly 15 minutes or so, making sure you stir every 5 minutes. Once your stew is pretty much cooked, you can proceed to add your fried chicken and mix that in quite well. Once it's thoroughly mixed, add some more water to the mixture and allow the stew to simmer. And I think after 10 minutes or so, your stew should be ready. Bon appetit!
I now know I will spoil you.